Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Instagram and tapping Get Help Signing In or Forgot Password. This starts the recovery flow. Enter the username, email, or phone associated with the account, then choose Send Login Link or Send Code. Once sent, check your email inbox, SMS messages, or the app messages. Make sure to look in spam or other folders. Use a trusted device if available, because it speeds verification and reduces prompts. This prevents lockouts and simplifies the next steps. You receive a 6-digit recovery code via email or SMS. Type it into Instagram promptly and exactly as shown. If you chose a login link, open it in the same device and browser you started with, because Instagram checks device context. If codes fail, pick Need More Help and follow the account recovery form. Upload a photo ID or follow prompts to confirm ownership. Once Instagram verifies identity, you can set a new password. This step prevents others from accessing your account. You finish by creating a unique, strong password and turning on two-factor authentication to prevent future issues. This protects your account immediately. If no code arrives, wait 5 minutes, check spam, and request a new code. Also confirm the correct email or phone. If repeated attempts fail, use the Need More Help flow and submit the requested ID or account details. Keep calm. Support responses can take time. Key troubleshooting tip: switch networks or devices before repeating requests to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.